Clovis here with UNA's Technology LLC. This is the very last tutorial in this series on Java. So, as I name it, Last Dance. So, in we have covered most of the stuff in Java, but there are a few uh, concepts left over. There are more actually, but with what you have already uh, learned, you'll be able to learn other concepts by your own, and it's gonna be very easy from now. Consider yourself as somebody who knows at least the basics of Java and then can understand any line of codes in some projects. Not any, but most of the line of codes. So some of the concepts we didn't cover are like maps. Maps are like pretty much a kind of a array list, uh, but arrays, but where the indexes are actually kind of reference or name or stuff like that. So check it and read about it. You wanna know more. There are like you can. I wanna just give you an example. Like you can do puts. You put the key right here, like max, and you put maybe John. So you can. This is how we add value. Uh, uh, June. Let's do March. June. You can Mary. And if we do system out lane map that gets uh, March system. If we do this, it's gonna give us the contents like John. Let's run it and see where is the console. Let's open it. Windows. Show console. You can see John here. So this is pretty much acts as if it's an array list or an array, but here you can access the value quickly because we have a key that helps us to get the value. So map works based on the key and values. So there are also concepts like generic we didn't go through in this that you can learn by yourself. Sorting algorithms. This is a huge concept. How to find stuff. You can do with a for loop one by one, or doing bubble starts and other type of sort algorithm to find stuff. Multi-threading is pretty much uh, a way to run stuff in parallel. Like as we do here, we're using one thread, which is the main thread, but you can actually do some other tasks in different thread when you create uh, uh, other thread like some background thread or other thread to do task in parallel. So design pattern is pretty much uh, how you code in such way your program can be efficient. There are many way of coding, many design patterns to use in the code. And there are also this concept of string buffer and string builder. Those are kind of the stuff we didn't cover here, but you can still cover it by your own, by reading. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your your desire, your perseverance to get to the end of these tutorials, this series, and I wish you good luck and everything, and be blessed. Thank you so much. Bye.